makeup brand by Yinnabelle or Yinnabelle. Sorry, I'm not good at pronunciation, but you should check her out. She's a small woman-owned, Asian-owned business, so check her out and let's begin. Okay, first for the look, we'll start doing my hair in the Sailor Moon style. I have these cute little hair bun attachments that I got from Amazon, and I'll put the link in my comment section or the bio, whatever you call it on YouTube. So let's begin. So I'm going to continue working on the hair, but first I wanted to get into my makeup before I make it all glammed up, because Sailor Moon's hair has little curls at the end and my bangs aren't exactly like hers, but I'm going to try to make it fit more. And so let's get to the makeup. Here's the package, and I really love how it says "Love Me Tender Fragile" on it. I think it's really cute little extra for the aesthetic. And I got this online from at Yinnabelle Beauty. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but she is so sweet. Her brand is really kicking off in my opinion, and I think you should try it out. I love how she packaged this. I love how it says "Together, comma," love the comma, "we fight for love and justice." That's so sweet. And I have this letter, so let's open it. Oh, it says "Thank you." And let's read it together. "Dear Lila, thank you so much for supporting me!" Exclamation mark and a heart. "This is my first launch and your support means the world to me. I hope you enjoy everything. Yinnabelle or Yinnabelle, I'll have to figure it out. But that's so sweet, thank you so much." And then there are these two cute Sailor Moon stickers. Ah, I'm obsessed. And then you have a little photo card and it says "Love and Justice" and the brand's name. And I love this. This is so cute. The artwork on her makeup is phenomenal. Like, look how gorgeous this is. This is like soft girl, pretty girly aesthetic. And this is my dream. I wish I looked like this, so I'm going to try. Next, you get her business card, which is kind of like a Sailor Moon themed credit card, and it's super cute. Next, there's a little card that contains the information about my order and my order number. And the first thing I'm going to show you, oh, she has these cute little confettis. They're like hearts all over and stars. That's so extra. I love it. Thank you so much. So let's take out this protecting bubble wrap. Okay, so first we have the eyeshadow palette. Let's open it. And here's what it looks like. So pretty. And I love how there is a magnet to keep your palette closed. A lot of my big brand palettes don't have this magnet, and I think this is a great idea. And the art, of course, is gorgeous. The ingredients are all on the back and they all seem really nice and natural, and I love how upfront it is. Next, we have these cute little wrappings. And there is glitter in this paper, tissue paper. That's so cute. Okay. Oh, the art. Okay, so there's little snowflakes, but this is gorgeous. Look how beautiful Sailor Moon looks. She is blushing as Princess Serenity. Okay, back to the highlighter. So Moon Crystal on the back. There's a sticker that says the shade. Let's open it. Here is what it looks like. Look at that glow. I really love like the white colors, but I think maybe this will fit my complexion best. So let's hope so. I love this color though. It's like gorgeous. Look at all the sparkle glistening. Next I have the blush, and it's so cute. It's like an older chippy moon. I love it. And here's the back with the ingredients. I love how she has a thank you sticker on it at the top. I think that is so just like a little nice add-on too. She has a lot of this. Augie's coming up. She's really nosy because she loves eating this little stuffy things. I call them Easter filler. I don't know what they're called. Confetti? Not really. But anyway, so here's the packaging on the blush. And I got shade 2 again, but this is called Peach Sugar, which is such a cute name. Let me move my stuff so Ari can get up. And there's a little paw on this design that's so cute. I promise I'll make sure she doesn't eat any of it because I don't know what I'll do to her stomach, but I'm okay with letting her mess around as long as she doesn't eat it. So let's get started on the makeup. We're going to start with the eyeshadow because I heard it's best to do that before you do your face makeup, so let's go. So I'm going to use this ColourPop No Filter Concealer and put it on my eyelids just so my eyeshadow will pop out more. Okay, so we're going to go and spread this out and kind of flick it out for a wing look. And then we are going to put some inner corner and all around. Okay, so I look a little crazy, but we're also going to add some on the tip of our nose. Okay, now we're going to go in with our shimmery shades. I think I'll choose this cinder color, and we're going to pat it in to our inner corner of our eye. Now we're going to try one of the glitter, and we're just going to use our middle finger and tap it in. Now that we got the eyeshadow done, we're going to make it more crisp looking by using the concealer again and just kind of cleaning it up a bit with our lines. And then I'm lightly brushing in some at the top just so there's not much pigmentation and there's that kind of ombre look on your eyeshadow. And now I'm going to use this beauty blender and we're going to blend this out. And now I'm going to do my face makeup and then I'll get back to you. So now let's use our blush, and again it's in the color Peach Sugar. I'm going to use my blush brush and try it out. Okay, now we're going to apply some mascara. I was told when you apply mascara that you go from the base and wiggle up, so I'm going to keep trying that. Okay, now I did my mascara, so let's add some eyeliner and hopefully I'll make it look great and I won't make a mistake. So let's try it. Okay, so now I've done my eye makeup. I still need to kind of like straighten out underneath my eye a little bit, but we're going to continue with the blush now, and I'm just going to use the leftover excess to spread around my nose to kind of blend in and blend out the pink. Okay, so now I am going to make my bridge a little bit more natural looking with the highlighter. Okay, great. And now we are getting to the Sailor Moon highlighter in Moon Crystal. I'm going to take this little eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to pick up some. And I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose. Whoop, whoop. And kind of where the bridge is of my nose. I'm going to take my bronzer blush, grab some, and just kind of put it on my forehead. And then on my upper cheekbone. And and put the excess on my chin. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video useful and I hope you check out her business. Thank you so much for supporting small businesses, especially even though COVID is coming to an end. It is still important to support these businesses. You can find her on TikTok and Instagram with the link to her website to order these products. Thank you so much. I'll put her information in my bio comment section below. So thank you so much and I hope you enjoyed. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Bye!